Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to give you a WeBull tutorial showing you guys how to trade after hours or during extended hours. Let me start off this video by saying I'm not a financial advisor, just some random guy investing on the internet. So as you guys know, typical trading hours is 9:30 a.m. Eastern Standard Time to 4 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. WeBull allows you to trade during pre-market hours and post-market hours. So pre-market is 4 a.m. to 9:30 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, and after hours is 4 p.m. to 8 p.m. So during those times, you're going to have to trade with limit orders. So let me show you guys how to do that. First, I'm going to show you guys how to buy a stock after hours. Okay, so first let's look up a stock. So we're going to go under markets, and then at the top right, you can click on that magnifying glass. So let's say THCX. Now, this is not a recommendation to buy or sell this stock. Again, this is just something that I'm personally going to be investing in. So click on the stock. And then you can see that it had a really heavy dip today. So we're going to buy this stock during aftermarket hours. So right now, as I'm recording this, it is 4:06 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. So I'm going to click on trade. Okay, so right now you can see at the top right next to the ticker symbol is currently trading at 22.91 during aftermarket hours. So I'm going to buy this stock at that price. One of the things you could actually do is click on that aftermarket price. So I'm going to click on there, and you can see that my limit price changed from whatever it was a second ago to 22.91, what it's currently trading at. So let's say I want to buy the stock at the price point of 22.91. Let's say I'm just going to buy one share. So change your quantity to however many shares you want, and then scroll on down, and you can see time in force. Instead of day, you're going to click on that drop down menu and click on G2C, which stands for good till canceled. So whenever I put this limit order through, it's not going to purchase it immediately. It's just going to send out a limit order and basically telling the market, hey, I want to buy the stock for 22.91. And if there's a sell order for that amount, I'll be able to buy the stock. So another thing you're going to want to do is click on extended hours. You see that little ticker next to yes. So we're going to click on yes. And let me just look over everything to make sure where we need to be. Okay, so it's still trading at that price. And if you decide, okay, that's a little bit too expensive for me, you could hit this minus sign or plus sign to raise and lower the price. You could also just click on the number and then just delete and type in whatever price point you want. So scrolling down again, I'm good with everything. I'm going to be buying one share of the stock for the price of 22.91. Time in force again, good till canceled, extended hours, yes. So this buy order is going to stay until I cancel it at that price, and I'm willing to buy it at extended hours. So after you're happy with everything that's there, you're going to click on buy at the bottom left. Click on buy, and then it's just going to give you a review over everything. Good till canceled up to 60 days. So you can cancel it anytime within that 60-day period, and it's just going to expire after 60 days if your order was never fulfilled. So I'm going to click on confirm, and let's see if the order goes through. Okay, so we're currently not buying it at that price point yet. At this point, all you have to do is wait for your order to go through. You don't have to be in the app. You can just exit the app, and if you want to modify the order, for example, if you see the price point like going way high or way low, you could click on open orders, and then you can see that there's that pencil right next to the price. So click on that pencil, and then you could increase the price, lower the price, and then after that hit confirm, for example. So let's say I want to lower the price, like maybe 22.91 is too expensive. Let's drop down to 22.90. So I'm going to hit confirm. Okay, there it's telling me that my order has been modified, and now I'm looking to buy this share at 22.90. So one quick thing, if you're overall just like not happy with the way that your order is performing, you could go back in, clicking open orders, and then just clicking on your order. And then here you could decide to cancel the order, modify the order, or just watch the stock. So just keep that in mind. So let's continue on the tutorial. So now I'm going to show you guys how to sell a stock during aftermarket hours. It's basically the same exact steps. So go into the stock that you want to sell, bottom left, click on trade, and then instead of buy, you go to the sell option. So like I said, everything is still exactly the same. I want to sell this stock at $22.91. You could lower, increase the price, select the quantity that you want to sell, time in force instead of day. You're going to click on good till cancel, and you're going to select extended hours. And once you're happy with everything, you're going to go to that bottom left button and click on sell. And that, in a nutshell, is a full tutorial of WeBull Aftermarket Trading. This is just a tutorial for beginners because I know a lot of people switched over from Robinhood to WeBull. So if you guys are planning on doing that, feel free to use my referral link and get some free stocks. If this video helped you out, be sure to hit that like button. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys later.